Hello guys, this is FK, and just like everyone that is obsessed with productivity, or you just you want to use your life for what matters. I've been trying to do a lot of things that I believe will be beneficial to my career, but I've been so confused. Like I want to be good at my stuff, like my proficiencies. I want to get better. I want to write articles because people talk about writing articles, and it's so lovely. I see a lot of articles out there. I want to write articles. By the way, I write articles a lot. By the way, and I want to create courses also. That's even my main job. I want to create courses. I want to contribute to open source. I hear it a lot. People talk about contributing to open source, how it can help your career. I also want to be on Stack Overflow, answer a lot of questions, and become like a top voted guy. And I also want to tweet those very resourceful tech stuff, see all those tech threads that are very, very. I want to do a lot of this. And again, machine learning is so hot now. I don't want to look back and feel that I missed that trend. I should be on machine. I should be learning machine learning. What am I doing with my life? And I know I'm not the only one in this kind of situation. A lot of us want to do a lot of things. We want to do a lot of things that will be beneficial to our career. But you can't do everything. You can't do everything. And I've learned that because I finally decided to focus on what is paying my bills because I need to feed my family. So I decided to focus on the work that pays my bills. But I still know how great all this stuff is. I want to still be able to do some of them, and I know that it will still have a huge benefit to my career. Because I've seen the upside. I've seen how it has helped a lot of developers, and even a lot of wonderful developers that I know today. I've known them through the great works that they shared. If they were just in their jobs, just coding their days away and not doing anything, I wouldn't have been able to meet people like Ken C. Dodds, people like Tony Alicia, people like the Primeagen, people like Theo, and all these amazing developers out there. I wouldn't have been able to meet a lot of them. So I want to do that too for my career, and because I know the ripple effect it will have. So here is how I got to fix that recently, and if you're watching this video, I hope that you can also benefit from this. Here's how I got to fix that. So I started reading this book by Ali Abdaal called Feel Good Productivity, because I've been very obsessed with enjoying what I do. So I started reading Feel Good Productivity. Where's the book safe? Please give me. So I started reading Ali Abdaal's Feel Good Productivity. I started reading it because he has been raving about it a lot, about enjoying what you do, how joy is more effective than discipline in making in your productive journey. When you enjoy what you're doing, you do it more than trying to put yourself into a state of discipline. So I'm really obsessed with that, and as the book came out and it was available on Amazon, I quickly got one. And one thing, as I was reading one of the chapters, he mentioned something called side quests. He mentioned something called side quests. Now, he used the game World of Warcraft. I don't know whether I'm calling the name of the game correctly, but he used World of Warcraft to explain, like, there's a normal gameplay, and you have everything you want to achieve. You have all your tasks that you have to do, but then you have the ability to go on these things called side quests, and they don't affect your normal game flow. They don't affect all your points. They don't affect any assets you're gathering in the game or the level you are in the game. You just go on these side quests, and even through the side quests, you get to discover a whole lot of wonderful things that can even help you in your gameplay. So he talked about this concept and how you can just pick a time where you just do this one thing and you just finish it, and that thing has nothing to do with all your targets and stuff like that. So I decided to apply this principle. So what I'm doing now is that every Saturday, because I was just like the principle just like opened my mind to a lot of possibilities. So what I decided is that every Saturday I'm going to pick one thing to do, and one thing only. One thing to do. And that thing I have to be able to finish it in a day. So it's not something something that requires 5 days or something that requires 10 days. No. So that it doesn't turn to another work that I will just abandon, another side project I will abandon. So one thing that can be finished in one day, and that will be it. I'll start right in the morning. If I find myself most productive in the morning, I start in the morning. If I find myself most productive in the evening, on Saturdays, I start in the evening. And I just do one thing, and finish it. And honestly, since I started, it has been marvelous. It has been marvelous. And it's not anything connected to the work I'm doing. Right? Currently, I'm developing 2 courses for LinkedIn Learning on Gemini AI. Those stuff I do on Saturdays are not connected to that at all. For example, I blogged last week. Yeah, last week I wrote an HTMX article and I published that on Medium and Dev.to. The week before that, I did a whole Gemini. I did a whole series. I did a whole series on YouTube, my other YouTube channel where I do my tutorials. I did a whole 4-video mini series, and also maybe the next week I'm going to be I'm going to be on Stack Overflow. I'll be looking for questions to solve or make a PDF, a simple PDF that I can share for free. So stuff like that, and those things. Doing that has been giving me a lot of fulfillment recently. It has been helping me to do a lot of the peripheral things that I feel that can help my career, or I just find joy doing. I'm not doing it for money. I'm not doing it for any particular goal or anything. I'm just doing it to feel good about myself. So as I started that, it has been amazing. I think what I've chosen for this Saturday, I want to build an ATMX app. I want to build an ATMX app with a Node.js backend, because I'm currently working on an ATMX course. So I want to build an ATMX app with a Node.js backend and just build something simple with it and just go around. So yeah, it's been so amazing doing that. And honestly, if you can try it out, I believe it's going to be a game changer for you too, on all those side projects you want to do, or all those tasks you wish you could do to just enjoy, or to have something that you share out there. So that's how I've been able to fix my side project issue by doing side quests. That's everything for today. I remain your bro in tech, FK.